Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be looking at a brand new PLR exclusive package that just came out today. And I'm going to go into it like a deep dive into how I would use this to make money with this PLR package. So if you want to pick this package up, it's only going to be available for like a couple days. And what it is it's 7 ways to grow your YouTube channel. And it's specifically a lead magnet package. So it's really focusing on building up a subscriber list, right? And you're giving away a 2,580 word ready to publish report. You get Pro E cover graphics, which is great. I would possibly consider going to Fiverr and having somebody create new graphics for you. I think that you can create even better graphics, and that's one of the best ways and fastest, easiest ways that you can change PLR to make it your own. So you could, that's your choice, but that's something that I would do. I would change the graphics of this package. And then they're giving a lead capture and delivery page. We'll look at that. Affiliate tools page. I'm not really sure where that is and what that is, but that might be that might be like a JV page. Let me go and look at this product over here real quick. So a JV page like this. So it tells you to get your affiliate link, launch date, and information about the product, right? So it's a JV page. That's really cool. Don't see a whole lot of products that offer that inside of the PLR pack, so that's pretty cool. And then there's more bonus graphics, banner graphics, promotional emails, and there's editable PSD and PDF and docx. So you can change the content inside the report, which is always great. I like how they're giving you the Word file. I really dislike when you only get a PDF, because then you can't change it, right? You need the docx so you can go in there and add your name if you want to, add your pen name, change maybe change and add your own intro paragraph, your outro paragraph, and maybe add a couple paragraphs, bulk it up a little bit, make it your own. That's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck, right? I mean, this is only $11. I mean, they went out and did all this hard work for you, did all the research. It's going to be quality written, and I'll show you why it's going to be quality written in a minute. We'll go check out this vendor, because that's what I always do, right? I want to know who I'm buying from. And I'm not going to buy from, like a crappy PLR vendor. I want it to be a vendor with a proven track record that produces high quality content. But yeah, that's really good. You can go and mess with the graphics in Photoshop. You can use PhotoP for free, and that'll open up PSD files as well. The PDF, if you just want to take it and run with it right away, or the docx to customize it, and then you can file save as a PDF. They're saying only 100 copies will be sold, so they're going to stop this, hard stop at 100 copies. That's really cool. I don't see that a lot either. So that means that, no more than 100 people will be getting this unique pack. And like I said, even with 100 people, that's low when you consider there's a lot of products that make thousands of sales. But I still would consider changing the content a little bit and changing the graphics, and then you have a new product. Now there's different ways that we can go about selling this. We're going to look at that real quick, right? And I know a lot of you are really into PLR. I have a PLR course and so forth. You can really make a full-time business by selling PLR, creating PLR, and selling it in Warrior Plus like this company's doing. There's so many things that you can do. You could take this, redo the pack, wait a couple weeks, and maybe change the title and all that, right? And do something that has to do with YouTube, right? And then you could relaunch this on Wire Plus. You could absolutely relaunch it, and you could do two things. You could actually relaunch this as a PLR product, similar to what they're doing, or you could actually launch it as a training course. So it's actually just like training, right? You're not actually giving away PLR rights or anything like that. You're actually just teaching people how to grow their YouTube channel. So there's so many different ways that you can do this, rather than just you want to think outside the box, right? With selling PLR, you don't want to just grab this and go throw the ebook up on Amazon. You're lucky if you're going to make a couple 99-cent sales. So that's not the way to go about this. There's so many other ways you can actually profit from this. I'm going to show you, we're going to do a deep dive. I'm actually going to go and do some keyword research and show you what I would do as well with this pack. Let's keep cruising through here, though. You can see the high quality of this. You know, you had the 2,500 word ebook. There's the content that's inside, really cool. The graphics, I would change them, but this is really cool. The lead capture page to grow your subscribers list, delivery page. I mean, this is a whole business in a box right here regarding about YouTube, which is really great. There's so many channels out there teaching how to make money and how to get more subscribers on YouTube. And this would be a perfect package to either give away for free or sell to your audience. They even have an autoresponder sequence and so forth. So good stuff. Going for $11.95. Let's go check out the vendors right here. So I like to go back in here and actually check out Profit Experts is the vendor on Wire Plus. Profit Experts, and we come and look at their products. So they have high quality products. Their last few products have not had a ton of sales. It's been a while since they had a 50 sale, but they've had some really big products that had 50 to 100 sales. They've been very consistent. Like here's one that had 100 sales right there. But here's what's really most important about this, right? They have their product listing right here. They do put out a lot of product, but here's the thing. Look, they have 13 featured products. They're an elite vendor and they're a top 10% vendor. They have 3,800 followers, and look at this, 16,350 sales. And this rating right here, 4.3 stars out of 5, is really good. It's hard to get a 4-star or higher on Warrior Plus. You guys know that. People buy products every day from Warrior Plus. It's a massive selling machine. It's a great affiliate program, but it's known for having bad products on the platform. I like to go and vet this stuff. This member's been around since 2017. So they've been around for 4 years and they have a 4.4 stars, which is unheard of on Wire Plus. So high quality is what you're going to get with this, right? So if you want to go check this out and possibly pick it up for just $11, there's only going to be 100 copies. Then you can go click the link below. And let's go and see what some other things. I've already given you a couple nuggets of what you could do about making money from this pack. Remember, $11. You couldn't go and buy a Fiverr gig and have somebody do all this for you. This cost a lot of money to have this stuff created. Super cool, but you want to get creative. Remember, you want to have some type of creativity when rebranding and reselling PLR. And that's what the whole point of this is. They want you to take this PLR package and go out and be creative and make money from it. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to go into Uber Suggest. I like this tool and I have a lifetime subscription to it. So it makes sense for me to use this tool. But I'm going to come in here and I went in and just typed in grow your YouTube channel. And I like to go to the related search results. That's pretty specific right there. Grow your YouTube channel. And I went to related, and then we're going to go and look at some of this. Now I found a couple of keywords. Obviously you can keep scrolling down here and stuff. Of course, I'm going to be looking at the green stuff because, if you were going to build a website or if you already have a current website and you want to, launch a series of posts on your website, you could also apply this to YouTube. These are great YouTube topics as well, but we'll open up, like for example, we'll open up the top 10 search results for, this keyword, how to grow your YouTube channel with 0 views and 0 subs. You can ignore the search volume at 20. You're going to get a lot of other searches coming in and rank for a ton of stuff. If you actually write a really nice, helpful, long form blog post on that topic, you're going to get more than 20 visits per month from it. Remember, these are just estimations, and you can do your research on this, but these are usually off. There's usually a lot more traffic than what it's saying. Than what the tools are saying, right? You could even go to Ahrefs, or SEMrush, or Moz, or any of the really popular tools, and they're going to be accurate, but they're not 100% correct, right? Even with Ahrefs is known as one of the industry standards for keyword research. Most SEOs and they do use the tool full time, say that the traffic, cause based on they can look up their site and they know exactly how much traffic they get from different articles on their site. And they can say sometimes this is off by, 5 times. And then a lot of times too, you'll have keywords that have 0 search volume and they'll like some of these right here, tips to grow your YouTube channel trying. Like there's just no way that no one's searching that in, right? And it's showing up on a keyword research tool, so it's obviously being searched for. So you just have to kind of keep that. These are just guides, right? So we'll come back over here and we just look at the top 10. And what I'll do is, this is a good keyword, and here's why. If you just look at the domain authority and you just listen to what Neil Patel is telling you, he's telling you that the average has 36 backlinks and the domain authority of 66. So this would scare you away, right? Even the backlinks, because they're probably good backlinks, but the domain authority of 66, if you were just going based off of that being a high domain, then you would just run away from this keyword, right? And when we look at this further, you can see that YouTube, you could outrank any YouTube video. So you could put up a YouTube video, and then what I like to do is scroll down through here, and I see Quora, and I see Pinterest. So these are not going to be on topic. You can easily outrank Pinterest and Quora type posts, right? So a Quora type post means that there's room inside of the top 10. We want to look for forums, self-generated type content when ranking a web page, right? And so when you see things like Quora on here, there is room for sure. Just because this has a 93 authority, it does not mean that you run away from this keyword. Right here, viewership, 3 ways to grow YouTube, right here. It only has a 21, right? And 24 backlinks. And then there's a couple right here that are ranking like Pinterest. There's no backlinks whatsoever. They're just ranking because there's something somewhat on topic right there. You could even go and look at this post real quick. The viewership one ranked number 5. So I'm going to go how to grow your YouTube channel, right? We can go and put that in Google and go and check it out, right? So we have Smash Balloon. We have all the YouTube videos that it was showing. And let's see right here. Here's that viewership one, right? Okay. So we can come over here and we have Quora. I mean, we could outrank this, right? And let's go and check out what that post is. They're outranking Quora, right? So I like to go in and I'll check this out. We can kind of see some stats. I might use a SimilarWeb to see. When you click on SimilarWeb, that means that this is not getting any traffic. This site is not like a massive authority or anything like that. Usually, in order for it to pull up traffic on a site, it has to be getting a certain amount of traffic. So that also tells me. And another thing I'll do is I'll do a Control A and I'll highlight this and I'll right click and go to count these words. So they're ranking for a post that only has 1,200 words, right? So this is a way that you have an in on this, right? You could easily come in here. And grab a spot for that keyword and just kind of reverse engineer, right? So you can keep scrolling down here and see some more keywords. Another thing you could do is just say YouTube. Up here, we'll go do a new YouTube search, right? So what you could be doing is building a niche website. I'm going to push search right there. You could build a niche website and then you already have your product and your lead magnet to start bringing in traffic. And you can actually sell this to visitors of your website. So that's another really great way that you can make money from this. So we'll go back over here and look a little bit more. So we have YouTube. We have 3.4 million. I like to go to the related. So we'll click on that. We're going to be looking at 3.4 million words, keywords right here. But what you obviously are going to want to go to volume. And what I like to do with keyword research is we're going to go and we're going to look at things that are just like at 10 and maybe like 200. So I want only between those. And then this is going to be the biggest bunch of them, right? Because most keywords and most good keywords, long tail keywords, are going to have low search volume. So then we're going to go to SEO difficulty. Obviously, I'm going to use the easiest. So we only want to look at stuff that this tool is telling us should be pretty easy to rank for. So we've narrowed our list down to, we took a 3 point whatever it was million and we took it down by more than a third, right? So now we're looking at 727,000 right here. You can also come over here to the keyword right here. And what I'm going to do is include. So I just want to put grow. I'm going to push enter and then push apply. So that 700,000 is going to now go to, let's see, 553 keywords. So we've now taken a 3 point something million. We've narrowed it down to less than 1,000 keywords. We can come through here. They're all easy to rank for. And that one was actually in here, which is great. The one that we were just looking at. So now we're looking at grow and YouTube, right? So some of it is, Think and Grow Rich. That's not going to make sense. And you're just going to keep going through and sifting through here, how to grow faster on YouTube. Right here, there's 70 searches, and we can go how to grow faster on YouTube. I imagine on YouTube, that's going to be a pretty competitive keyword on YouTube for a YouTube video. But this is kind of how I would go out and do my research for a niche for a PLR product. You could go and build out a niche website. There's a lot of AI content writing tools that you could go out there and write 50 articles, really high quality, find 50 good keywords, and so forth, and go out there. So right here, obviously there's going to be, so there's a blog.hubspot that's ranking right here. And there's, so Backlinko, let's get that. Now that one's going to be hard to outrank. vidIQ. So you're just going to come through here and look. And right here, there's only, I like to look for domain authorities. If it is just a straight up website, I like to look at the domain authority and make sure it's below 40. So we're seeing 2, and I like to have 3 or 4 on there, right, before going for that keyword. So that one may not be a good one, right? But then you would just keep going through here and sifting through and finding long tail keywords. And you could go out there, build a site, rank it, and then sell this product right here. So that's it for this video. We did some niche research. I kind of went over some ways that you could actually take this PLR pack, that they're only going to have 100 copies. So it's going to be pretty exclusive. And you can go out there and you can build courses on this. You could turn this into a Udemy course and upload it on Udemy. You could turn these into videos. I believe one of the OTOs is a video pack. So you could have the videos done for you as well as an upsell. There's so many different things that you can do to sell PLR. The sky's the limit. You just need to be creative and you need to put in the work. That's it. If you want to go and check this out, there's a link below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Until next time, take care.